So let's add prop type validation. And for this, I'll cancel the development server and then run npm install --save to also save an entry in package.json, and then prop types. This is the package I showed you in the last course section, which is provided by the React team to validate the prop types of your React properties. Simply import prop types from prop types, and you can start using that package. I'll restart the development server with npm start. And here I want to use prop types on this component. Now, you don't need to transform it to a class-based component, actually. You can use prop types on functional components as well. I want to practice this conversion to a class-based component once again, though. And I personally like using prop types on class-based components, but you could keep this a functional component and add prop types in the same way as I do it on the class-based one. Well, with that, let's rename burger ingredient to have a capital B to follow the naming convention of classes. And let's import component as a named import from React. Now, burger ingredient should extend component. And we can then add a class body where we need to implement the render method. Now, inside render, we can now execute our logic, our switch statement, and in the end return the ingredient. So simply put that in there, remove that relic down there, and export your newly named class. Now, props type won't work because inside a class, you access props with this props. So make sure to add a this in front of props. With that, it should be working again though. Now we can add prop type validation by taking our class name, adding the prop types property with a lowercase p, and setting it equal to a JavaScript object. And there, I now want to configure the type property using the prop types we imported from that prop types package. Using that, and there, I want to make sure the type should be a string, and we can chain another condition that it is required. So if we ever try to use the ingredient component without passing a type, we will get an error. So with that, the burger ingredient is finished. Now, of course, you would be interested to also see it in action. And for that, in the next lecture, we'll actually start building our burger in the burger component.